Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. Thank you so much for your order. I would really appreciate if you could contact first so that we can have a discussion, maybe a small question answer, so that we can make sure that we are on the same page, and this will obviously save time for both of us. Yes. Okay. So you shared a file format which was not compatible with the Office version, but okay. This is how what I did, what I understood from your description. So this is the source data from you. You just provided it. So I have split it into two things, like according to the listings. So yeah. So first one is steps, and the second one is sorry. This first one is spectacular, and the second one is steps. And this is the whole data with only spectacular. Okay, the whole complete heading, all the headings. Similarly, for the steps, we have the whole complete data split it out of the source data, and this one is only showing the steps to this end and till the occupancy taxes. And then I didn't understand really actually if you want to have the total, I can add the total here as well, or maybe I don't know where you want to have the total of occupancy. Yes. So I have made another sheet. Let me move the spectacular first. So this is the three column spectacular. What I understood from your description, like date, steps to sand, and then occupancy tax, and then total. So this is how I split it: date, listings, and the occupancy taxes, and the total of it, which is a dynamic thing, and you can have it change. Like if I will add something here, this will reflect on the top. So this is split in three columns, and similarly these one for the spectacular, and these one are for the uh, steps. Okay, I think it's reverse. Okay, I'll change the names. Okay, perfect. So now it's fixed. Steps has the name steps, and the spectacular has the name spectacular. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further modification, or if you have anything else in mind. So this will be great if we can have a small chat before starting the job, so that we are on the same page. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye.